Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by dy. Next, we divide both sides by x to the power of 3. So we need to open parentheses. So we see that we have 1 over s squared dx over s to the power of 3 dy. This is about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equal to 1 over s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have like this. So because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by this one. This one we change by v. Next, we divide both sides by negative y squared over 2. Next, I will put this one go to the right. So we have v and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equation. So we need to use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 2 over y next to v. This is for integrating factor. And we have negative number 2 f and y. Next, negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have y to the power of negative number 2, and we put about 1 over y squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we need to use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have v over y squared. This one, we have y to the power of negative number 4. So the integration of this one, we have y to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 3, negative number 3. So negative, negative, we simplify. And this one we can put like this. So we multiply both sides by y squared. About v, that is about this one. Next, I will put s squared go to the right, this one go to the left. So this one we have 2 over 3y. So we need to multiply by 3y on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by this one. We know that number 3 with c, they still consider about the constant. So we put c in here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.